Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got the top 5 Mother's Day gifts with a 25% off coupon at Harbor Freight. Yes, as you know, Harbor Freight sells tools. So these are items that are more related to for a mother or for a significant other or somebody that items that she could use when you're not there. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. And let's go ahead and get started. As we can see, we got the 25% off coupon. However, you can use this coupon on yourself too. You don't have to buy these gifts. As long as you meet the requirements on the bottom, the name brands and stuff like that, just like a 20% off coupon. So you can get any of those items that are not listed here. The brands, obviously the items. Let's say she is your mom, your wife, daughter. Let's say she's driving around and she stops somewhere at work or at the store and her tire is running a little low. Obviously you got to do some training. You got to tell them, don't drive tires when they are low and stuff like that. So if she has an issue or an occurrence that something like that happens, she can get something like this. This is the 12 volts 100 psi high volume air compressor from Pittsburgh. This is an inflator. It's a portable inflator or compressor, however you want to call it. And it's a little higher end. It's not the cheaper one, and it's not the most expensive. As you can see there to the right, you got the $62.99. This one is $34, and pretty much it's $26 with the 25% off coupon. And basically what this is for, for basically a tire that's running low or that has a nail in it. It's a slow leak. And you can inflate it and safely drive the vehicle to a tire shop or to your house and have it changed, have the tire changed safely. Anyways, you do have to plug this into the cigarette lighter before you connect it to the tire. So just keep that in mind. Always let her know how to use it properly so she doesn't have any problems. But this and any other compressor or small compressor, you have to plug it into the cigarette lighter first and turn it on, and then plug or put it in the tire or attach it to the tire belt. The reason is because if you attach it to the tire first and then you plug it in and turn it on, the motor's gonna overload and short or a fuse might pop or something like that. So always, every time you're using something like this with this or any other brand, make sure you connect it to the cigarette lighter first, turn it on, and then attach it to the tire. Alright, the next item that we have for Mother's Day's gifts, we got the 24 feet 12 bulb outdoor string lights, Luminar Outdoor by Luminar Outdoor. Regular price is $27.99. As we can see, they do have a new item coming out. I don't know if it's available in your store or not, but we have a white version of this, and it's the same price. So there is a white version and a black version. Obviously, the black one's the old one, and the white one's the new one. And these are nice patio lights. I mean, these will illuminate your patio on the back and make it real nice. That's another thing you guys could get her. You got to think about her safety. Every time she is by herself, if she's by herself, she's not around you, or she's not around somebody else that could help her out, she needs to have at least something that can help her out in a situation like that. The pepper gas spray, it's $5.99 without the coupon, so it'll be lower with the 25% off. This is a very important item, just to keep it in the car or to keep it in the purse, just in case something might happen and she might need to use it. Another item that we have, let's say a drawer comes loose in the house, in the kitchen, or maybe a door comes loose and she wants to fix it, and you're not around, you're out of town, maybe you're working on a long work day, and she doesn't want to wait for you, and she wants to screw in a screw. Well, this item's gonna be good for that. This is the 4.8 volts 1/4 cordless screwdriver kit from Drill Master. This one should be okay for the basics. Screwing a screw or screw in. Just something that gets loose, screw it up, tighten it back up. And this is regular price is $9.99. Alright, the next item that we have, he does some cleaning or handling any type of chemical or cleaning chemicals, or maybe even just picking up something that's dirty to protect her hands, for her to have her hands being protected. I would recommend these gloves. These gloves are the 5 mil nitrile powder free gloves, a pack of 100. They are large. They come in very small, large, extra large, so just keep that in mind when you're buying. They are hardy, and pack of 100 is $7.99 regular price. I know I said 5 items, but I couldn't stop myself from giving you guys more ideas of something else that you could get her. If you got the type of mom that she likes to do a little bit more than a screw or something, that she likes to do small projects, hang a picture frame or just add something, screw a board or something. She likes to do more DIY type of stuff. Then you guys could get her a drill. Yeah. And there's a lot of better drills. There's a lot of better drills out there, including the Bauer line, the 12 volts lithium cordless, like it says here in the picture, and the Bauer on the bottom. Those are much better than this Warrior, but they're a little bit more expensive. So if you can't afford something like that for her, it'll be even better, make it easier on her. But if you can't afford something like that and you need something that's affordable and you can use with this 25% off coupon, you guys could get the 18 volt lithium 3/8 cordless drill kit from Warrior. It's only $39.99 a regular price. Is that these items are something to add to her gift. These items by themselves, obviously they are not much. It's nothing that you just want to give them this. So it's you want to take her out. You want to buy her something real nice for her so she can enjoy. And plus you might want to add one of these gifts so she can she can be safer, or she could be more productive at home when you are not around. So I just thought I'd give you guys these ideas. Other than that, you guys could use this coupon on anything else too that is not listed on these on this coupon, like brands or types of tools. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.